Welcome back, Dana. How's the anxiety medication working for you?
Okay. I keep having that recurring dream. The one that's not a dream?
Well, as we previously discussed, dreaming is predominantly a right brain metaphorical activity, and as such, the first step is understanding, to give voice to it immediately. So then, who is in the dream?
People I work with. I know everyone.
Shall we try this again?
Yes. Let's try again. Here's the requisition for the crap they want us to send to the new place. My shiny new office overlooking a pretty new park.
Enjoy your new open-air office. I'm not invited. The new plan doesn't call for my services. I'm done after this nightmare move.
Excuse me. Dr. Goff? I'll be there in 10. Hello? Oh, hey, babe. Yeah, no, I'm gonna be at work late. Again, I'm so sorry. Yeah, no, that's alright. Yeah, sure. No problem. Alright, see you later.
Hey, I'm heading towards the parking lot. Going home. Can I walk you to your car?
I appreciate it, Oren, but you know what? I have a lot of work to do. I practically live here, but I will lock up and set the alarm later.
Well, remember, the HVAC people have been pulling a lot of stuff out the studios, leaving the wires exposed, so be careful. Take care. Have a nice weekend.
Thanks, you too. Damn it. Ah! Oh no. Oh no. Not again, not again. It's him! It's him!
Hi, I'm Oren. Where's Dana?
Oh, I guess you didn't hear. She's out on medical leave.
That's odd. I saw her last night as I was leaving. She seemed fine.
I don't know, that's just what I was told. I'm Yvonne.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.